Yo, what's poppin'? Official pirated material coming straight live. Nah, it's not live because it's pre-recorded. Yo, official pirated material, episode 20, 21, 25,000. I can't remember, man. It's in the car. So in this week we're all about doing a bit of what can we say? Bit of fraud. Not me personally. Found out that whoever was in my house in about 2007, I know who he was in my house doing a bit of fraud, credit card fraud. Found loads of like credit cards, numbers and everything like that stashed away outside of the alarm. I did remember seeing something about some bank statements coming through when I come back one time, saying like 10 grand went out, 10 grand went in, 10 grand went out. So yeah, some credit card fraud, annoying. This week in official piracy material, it's all au naturel. You're gonna see some snails. My little boy likes to play with snails, so here's some snails. Pigeons, just Pigeon Street. Pigeon Street, find the people that you can say hello, goodbye. I got some killer bees.
又住了10多天吧，实在是。又住了10多天吧，实在是。又住了10多天吧，实在是。又住了10多天吧，实在是。又住了10多天吧，实在是。又住了10多天吧，实在是。又住了10多天吧，实在是。又住了10多天吧，实在是。又住了10多天吧，实在是。又住了10多天吧，实在是。
So yeah, not really killer bees, but you know what I mean. So bees in the garden. Found my macro lens. It's one of those cheap ones you can buy off eBay. Put it in the description where you can buy it from eBay. So about £6-7. Whack it on your camera lens, on whatever camera lens you got. Get off of different ones. Whatever you use it, like boom, about £6. Fun times. I thought it was rubbish at first, but you separate them. One does wide angle, one does macro. I thought you just leave it all on together, but you separate them, and boom. Lots of bits and bobs been happening. Not gonna cover it. Bit pissed off with YouTube and the FA thing. Took down one of my videos last week because I talked about the Arsenal, and because it was in context, I thought I'd show a clip of the Arsenal. Do you know what I mean? Put some music on, and yeah, took it down. It's like a minute, not even a minute, like 20 seconds or something. 20 seconds, and they took it down. Well annoyed. But yo, official pirated material. We're doing it. We're getting through. Everything's blessed. Loving it. Do that. Subscribe. Do whatever you do. The likes and everything. But yeah, man. Official pirated material. Oh yeah. And the little kids, man. You see some carnival thing. Well, say carnival. It's like a fair again. So you see my kids again on the fair. Life Records music, of course. We've got you covered for your Past Life Record music.
The gate is open wide. We're living on the inside. We're living on the inside. Look it out.
And we've also got Manifesto Beats. Adios, goodbye, thank you for watching. Mwah! Mixtapes, albums, Manifesto Beats will do the beats for you. Manifesto Beats. This is a Manifesto Beats exclusive. Our website is. Get your copy from our website today. Manifesto Beats can create beats for you, and exclusive beats for yourself. Please follow us on Twitter at. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Manifesto Beats will do the beats for you. Manifesto Beats.